Welcome back, guys, to the channel. I'm gonna show y'all what y'all need to restore your headlights when they dull and ugly looking. So let's just get into it and let me show you what you need. Okay, for starters, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need one sheet of 1000. Make sure it say wet or dry. 1000. Now, this is all I use. Now, some people, they might want to go a little further, take a step further, and then after they do the 1000, they want to use 1200, and then some people want to take it a further step and use 1500. But at the end of my video, the job that I'm doing is a Mercedes. All I used was this right here, 1000. If you can find a local paint store, they sell these for like $1.50 a sheet. Or you can go to AutoZone or any of your local parts store and just buy this whole pack here for $5. So it'll come with the 1000 and it'll come with the 1500. You know, you really don't need the 1200. You really don't need the 1500. But at least it got the 1000 in there that you need. Then you need the Meguiar's. And you don't have to use Meguiar's. That's just what I carry. This is $35 a bottle. It's kind of expensive. But any heavy duty compound will work. Then you need a buffer. This is my favorite. This is my favorite buffer for headlights. It's compact, it's little. This is $135 at Harbor Freight. Come in the case, come with extra little stuff. I love it. And then with mine, I bought an extra battery. That way I can do a whole car without stopping. Basically, I use a battery aside. Sometimes I can make a battery last the whole job, one battery. But if you don't have this and you don't have the money to go out and spend $135, you can use just a regular buffer that plugs in the wall. I mean, I got videos where I didn't use both. So either way, it'll work. And basically, this is what you need. And a bucket of water, and you don't need to fill it up. All you need is about a gallon or two in a bucket and straight water. I don't put nothing in the water. I know a lot of people don't believe that, but it's straight water. So let's go ahead and get into the video so y'all can see how I do this for you. There it is. So let me show y'all the difference. Well, I know you just saw the video, but this side over here just looked like that side over there.
What's up, man?
How you doing today?
Damn, that headlight. That is nice.
Look at the difference. Alright, took me like not even 5 minutes to do this. Not even 5 minutes. And that was with sanding. It probably took 2 minutes to sand it, 2-3 minutes to do this. Now it's ready to go in the car. Alright, y'all see that? It's like new. You saw it before. Let me get ready to do the other side. And I gotta put a screw in this. I gotta put a screw in this. And then I gotta take care of something else on the door. I could have had this done over the weekend, but they wasn't pressed for it, and I had to finish that red one. Most places I think charge like $60 to $80 to do this. I know Jiffy Lube charged 60, 75, something like that. I don't know what regular little shops are charging. But if you just rolled around in a parking lot and fix people's headlights, you probably can make $500 a day. Just fixing it, especially in this state because it's against the law. And I ain't gonna say it's against the law. You can't get your plates if your headlights is not clean. So in this area where I'm at, you can definitely make $500 a day just doing headlight. $300 if you know at the bare minimum. 60, even at $50 a pop. $50 a pop. You mean you have to do 6 a day. And I know it ain't hard to do 6 a day. Actually, you can charge $40. Since the big people charging 60, you charge 40. That way you can do, if you just did 3 a day, 120, a little over 3,000 a month. And see, it's starting to be white or more clear. That's how I know I'm done sanding. When it look like that, yeah, I know y'all probably can't tell what I'm talking about, but it just look clean. I don't know how long did I take to sand? It's about 5 minutes. That's what I'm saying. You can charge $30, $40. Let me think, is that, they charge $40 a side or they charge, I have to look it up. I think it's $60 they charge to do both. But if you did mobile, you still can get 60 because you came to them. So if you did 2 jobs a day, that's still 120. Either way it goes, no reason to be broken. But when I tell people how to make money all different kind of ways, they keep saying they want to be like me, but then they never do what I tell them. I'm good. I took a whole year off one time and didn't even work. Still paid the bills. You just got to know how to hustle. I think my battery about to go dead. Let's see how far it could take me on this. This is better than mobile detailing. Cause you ain't cause see, this is battery. You take you 3-4 batteries, buy extra batteries. When they go dead, you swap the battery out. So you don't even need no power. All you need is a bucket of water. A bucket of water and do over 10 cars. So you don't have to ask people, can you use their water? You just get you a bucket with a lid. You invest in one of these. I think this was like $120. Little small buffer to get in a tight little area. I love this buffer. And then, well, you would need a little bit more stuff. I would say you could do wheels on the spot. Most people, they pay $120 for the average curb rash. You know, little stuff you can do. Now y'all seen how dirty this was. Now they don't wash this. Matter of fact, they wanted to buy new headlights. They wanted me to order new headlights. And I said, well, let me see if I can fix yours first. So I just saved them a lot of money. Probably $500. These headlights probably cost $250 a side. I don't know what they call. I'm just taking a guess because it's a Mercedes. I mean, I bought this one used, but like I say, when they initially came to me, I bought this one used because this side was wrecked. So they, you know, at one time they did ask me, before the car even got wrecked, they wanted some brand new headlights. But then they got wrecked, so then we never did the headlights. And actually, they didn't even tell me to do it now. Actually, they wanted to do this themselves. I just went ahead and took it upon myself to do it. I didn't even charge them. And I get it back in the long run. I ain't worried about it. You just putting the money in this. Because, I mean, they was going to sell it. I had posted it one time because they wanted me to sell it. But I just fixing it up little by little for them. So that way they don't have to go out and buy a new car for, what, $40,000? So they're going to take this, drive this for another 2 years, and save that $40,000. And then invest that money into a house. You put that $40,000 down on a house. You can hear my battery's on a little bit. But I got it done now. So. See, battery went dead. That's it. That's good enough. Let me put that light in. I'll get back with y'all later on.